Are you going to put the baby's diaper on, sweetie? Natalie, you going to put the baby's diaper on? You want Mama to do it? Oh, show Mama. Show Mama. Show Mama. You can. Oh, put the baby's diaper on. Okay. Okay. We'll do. We'll do. Over here. Over here. Over here. Let's do it over there. Put the blanket down. Where's the blanket? Here's the blanket. Here's the blanket. Okay, put the blanket down first. Okay, let's put the blanket down first. Oh, is that the bottle? We need to feed the baby. Can you feed? There's the ointment. But the baby's hungry. The baby's... Put the ointment on the baby. Very good. Okay, put the clothes on the baby. Right. Right. But we have to feed the baby. Where's the bottle? Where's the bottle? We have to feed her. Where's the bottle? Right. That's the ointment. Where's the bottle? That's the ointment, honey. Oh, very good. You put the ointment on her. Very good. You're right. Right. She's all set. Put the ointment on her. Very good. You want Mama to dress her? You want Mama to dress her? Okay. Mama too.